Hello viewers and reset. Hello viewers and welcome back to the Luo English Dictionary channel. Now this is a video about words that repeat themselves because of emphasis. If you're new here, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell and look at our channel. Look through the videos so that you never miss one of them, and maybe we've talked about what you're looking for and it's among the videos. If it's not, please let us know. Send us a comment on any of the videos. We'll see every comment. We'll read all the comments and come back to you. So I don't know why Luos like to do emphasis, but these are some of the words that are emphasized, and by emphasized it means they were saying them twice. The first word is bear. Bear is good, but if you say bear a bearer, bear a bearer, that's an emphasis of bear twice. Bear a bearer, bear a bearer. And that would mean just very good, or yeah, very good. Very good is close enough. Another way would be bear. If you say bear and then you say berberie, berberie would mean it is much better than the first one. So if you had two things and then this was, one is bear, the other one would be berberie. This is better than this. That's what it means. Most emphasis would be most. Slowly, very slowly. Most is very slowly. Then pio, fast. Pio, very fast. Sunny, then the emphasis would be sunny. So now, right now. Okay, right is not there, but sunny means right now. So now and right now. Then there is pile, every day, and then there is pile. So pile is without fail, every day without fail. Pile. And pile is just every day. Then there is biro, coming. Abira, I'm just coming. Biro is come, but abira is I will just be coming. Adi, I'm going. Adia, I'm just going. Adia. Adi, but then it's adia. I'm just putting this so that we can see where it comes from. Adia. Did I talk about the meaning? Adi, I'm going. Adia, I'm just going. Ling, silent or quiet. Alinga, I'm just quiet. I'm just chilling. And this is also used in the greetings. You can just say, if you ask idinari, you can say alinga to mean, okay, I'm just fine. I'm just quiet. Alinga. I remember in college I had a friend who, this is the only Luo word he knew. He started saying alinga because by then time there was a musician who was giving us anyway, that's a story for another day. Wacho, awacha, and in this case this O is not pronounced. You see the O and the A are together, so you just say awacha. Wacho is say. So awacha is I'm just saying. Wacho, say awacha. Remember this O does not is silent. So you just say awacha. Then the next one is bait. Sit. obet abeta. So you send your kid to go and check what someone is doing, and he just comes back and says, obet abeta. That means he's sitting doing nothing, he's just sitting. So obet abeta, just sitting doing nothing. If it's you that is sitting, then you'll say abet abeta. And the same for all of this. Where there is an A, you can just change it to an O to mean someone else. O wacha wacha. Then the last one is chung, and chung is stand. Achunga chunga. I'm just standing. Achunga chunga or ochunga chunga. He is just standing. Ochunga chunga, achunga chunga, gichunga chunga. They are just standing. Obeta beta, abeta beta, gibeta beta. Awacha wacha, iwacha wacha, giwacha wacha. Alinga linga, olinga linga, walinga linga, gilinga linga. Walinga linga is like we're together, all of us are just quiet. Then adi adia, wadi adia, gidi adia, odi adia. So the only thing that is changing is the first one. Abira bira. This one also O and A. The O is silent. So abira bira, obira bira, gibira bira, wabira bira. Pile pile, every day. This does not apply. Sani sani, this does not apply. Pio pio does not apply. Mos mos does not apply. Berberie, berberie, there is ma berberie. So if you're talking about something and you say this is much better than the other, it would be ma berberie. Bera bera does not apply. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe so that we hit the 1,000 subscribers mark. And thank you for the people who are giving us comments. Thank you for the suggestions. If you have a suggestion of a video that you think we've not covered, please send us an email. You can get our email address on the comment on our about page. Send us an email. We shall look at it. We shall develop a video for that particular course. Otherwise, oriti. Bye. Oriti. Peace. Peace is kwe. And now I have to turn the camera because I'm alone.